Rahim, Saeed Ghani, Minister Education, Air Vice Marshal Abbas Guman Saab, Principal Bakhtawar Cadet College, Brigadier Mohammad Amin Saab, members of the National and Provincial Assembly, office holders of Pakistan People's Party, parents of the cadets, valued guests, ladies and gentlemen, and last but not the least, young cadets of Bakhtawar Girls Cadet College. Assalamu alaikum. I am honored to be here. It's indeed a pleasure for me to be here at the formal inauguration ceremony of Bakhtawar Cadet College for Girls in Shahid Benazirabad. I'm really grateful to the Board of Governors, to the administration of the college for having invited me here to this pioneer Girls Cadet College in Pakistan and to this very prestigious event which will remain in the memories of all and especially me, as this is perhaps the first of its kind. It's the first Girls Cadet College in Pakistan, and I've had the honor of formally inaugurating it. The story of this cadet college, and Air Vice Marshal Abbas Guman told me that he's been associated with this from the very first day, and I was also fortunate enough the day that President Asif Ali Zardari conceived this cadet college and a number of other facilities to be done by Pakistan Air Force in Shahid Benazirabad district. I was present at the presidency in that meeting. I was not there in the capacity of the education minister, but I was there in the capacity of the finance minister at that time, and we were instructed to make sure that proper finances are provided for this college. Vice Marshal Guman tells me that from day one he was associated with this college in the planning phase, and at that time Dr. Azra Pechu, who was a member of the National Assembly from this very constituency, took keen interest. Madam Faryal Talpur started helping the administration to build this college, and they built this purpose-built campus, and I had the pleasure of going through the campus, and I was really impressed with the facilities that you have here, the academic block, the smart classroom, which I was shown, the library. We went around, saw the sports facilities, the hostels, and indeed I can claim that this is, well, I don't need to claim, this is the only facility in Pakistan where the Girls Cadet College, the cadets are being trained. After this facility, a facility has been made in the province of KPK, but there they still have to build the campus. They are conducting classes and they're conducting the activities in a makeshift campus. But here in Shahid Benazirabad, we've got a purpose-built campus, and as the worthy principal said, it is number one. And he also said it is easy to be number one, but it's difficult to maintain that position. I assure him that the government of Sindh will make sure that this institute maintains that number one position forever. Cadets, Bakhtawarians, you are fortunate to be here and to be being trained in this college. You are in the district named after Shaheed Mohtarma Benazir Bhutto. This college is in the district Shaheed Benazirabad. You've got an example to work towards. Each one of you can be the next Benazir of Pakistan. And inshallah, with the training being imparted to you, with the facilities that you have here and your hard work, you will contribute towards the betterment of Pakistan. You will contribute towards women empowerment in its true sense. And inshallah, I am sure that each one of you would not only be pioneers in the fields that you choose, but you will excel and you'll be better than the men who compete with you. Because I've always believed, and I'm a true believer in this, being a political student of Shaheed Mohtarma Benazir Bhutto, I can tell you, women are much better placed. They remain close to the house, and with a woman, I remember the quote of Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah, when he was asked that what is the most powerful personality, he said the power of a woman, the mother who nurtures the child, who creates the future of the country, is far more powerful than any man in this country. And I'm sure that you'll live up to those standards of Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. I saw the parade would still, the parade will be at the end, but I saw when I oversaw the Guard of Honor, and I was discussing with Air Vice Marshal Abbas Guman, and I've seen these parades and I've seen the drills at the most superior military institutions in Pakistan, and I can safely say that this was as good, if not better, than any other institution that I've seen. I wish you all the best in your careers. I wish you all the best in your studies. The worthy principal had asked for a few things. I tell you, Brigadier Saab, the government of Sindh will be there to assist you. You'd mentioned an increase in the annual grant. I'll make sure that that happens. The Minister Colleges is here, and he would put that in the next year's budget, that you get that increased grant. You talked about the endowment fund. I'll see if we can start the endowment fund, maybe not build it to the ₹1 billion that you want in the first year, but inshallah we'll give you about half of it this year and the other half in the next financial year. The ingredients of a cadet college. You talked about the hostels. Obviously, the government of Sindh will make sure that when you go to your full strength of 300 cadets, all the facilities, may they be the academic facilities, the residential facilities, the mess facilities, would be provided. You talked about a riding club. We'll make sure we'll assist you in building that riding club very quickly. And inshallah, as you said, it's difficult to maintain the number one position. We are number one. But to maintain that number one position, a lot of effort is needed. The effort is from the government side, but we'll only do a little bit. It's the faculty, the administration, and most of all, you, the cadets, would make sure that you remain number one forever. And as I said, the government of Sindh will assist you and will make sure that we do our bit in ensuring this status for this Pioneer Girls Cadet College, status for the Bakhtawar Cadet College for Girls, Shaheed Benazirabad. मैं ब्रिगेडियर साहब और आप सबकी इजाज़त से थोड़ा सा, जैसे आपने भी उर्दू में कहा था, मैं जिक्र कर दूं, ये मेरे लिए बहुत ही इज़्ज़त का مقام ہے اور مجھے بہت ہی خوشی ہوئی ہے آج کا دن ادھر آ کے. مجھے وائس مارشل گھمن صاحب کافی دن سے کہہ رہے تھے کہ آپ وزٹ کریں اور کسی نہ کسی وجہ سے یہ چیز آگے ہوتی چلی گئی, لیکن مجھے خوشی ہے کہ میں آج ادھر آ سکا اور میں نے اپنی آنکھوں سے جو حکومت سندھ اور پاکستان ایئر فورس کی مل کے ایک کاوش تھی جو آج سے کچھ سال پہلے لوگ سوچ بھی نہیں سکتے تھے, لیکن یہ صدر آصف علی زرداری کا برین چائلڈ تھا کہ شہید بے نظیر آباد میں ایک بچیوں کے لیے کیڈٹ کالج ہو, اور وہ خواب شرمندہ تعبیر ہوا. 2017 سے یہ کالج چل رہا ہے اور آج اس کی مجھے خوش نصیبی ہے کہ میں اس کی فارمل انوگریشن کے لیے یہاں آیا ہوں. یہ پاکستان کا نمبر 1 گرلز کیڈٹ کالج ہے اور انشاءاللہ تعالی میں نے یہاں پہ یہ پرومس کیا حکومت سندھ کی جانب سے کہ ہم آپ کی مدد سے, جس میں کالج کی ایڈمنسٹریشن, بورڈ آف گورنرز, کالج کی فیکلٹی اور سب سے زیادہ ہماری یہ ہونہار کیڈٹس, ان کی مدد سے اس کو ہمیشہ نمبر 1 پہ رکھیں گے. نہ صرف پاکستان کا, ہم اس کو دنیا کے سٹینڈرڈ پہ لائیں گے تاکہ یہ دنیا کی کیڈٹ کالجز سے کمپیٹ کر سکے. اور یہ صرف خواتین کا نمبر 1 کیڈٹ کالج نہ ہو, یہ اوور آل نمبر 1 کالج ہے, اس لیے کہ میں نے کہا ہے کہ خواتین ہر جس فیلڈ میں جاتی ہیں مردوں کو پیچھے چھوڑ دیتی ہیں, اور مجھے پورا یقین ہے کہ یہ ہماری کیڈٹس اس اپنی انسٹیٹیوشن کو نمبر 1 اوور آل کرنے میں کامیاب ہوں گی. حکومت سندھ کی طرف سے میں نے اظہار کیا ہے کہ جو بھی مدد کی ضرورت ہوگی اس کالج کو وہ مدد ہم کریں گے, اور انشاءاللہ تعالی میں کوشش کرتا رہوں گا کہ جب بھی مجھے بلایا جائے, وقت نکلے, آپ کی جو اینیول ڈیز ہوتے ہیں, پیرنٹس ڈیز ہوتے ہیں, اس میں آ کے اور اس کالج کو اور بڑھتا ہوا دیکھ سکوں. میں اس کے ساتھ ساتھ جو یہاں کے پولیٹیکل ریپرزینٹیوز ہیں ان سب کا بھی شکر گزار ہوں کہ ان لوگوں نے اس کالج کو بنانے میں ہر قسم کی مدد کی ہے. ہماری جو پاکستان پیپلز پارٹی کی آرگنائزیشن ہے وہ بھی ہر وقت اس انسٹیٹیوشن کو, اس لیے کہ یہ پورے سندھ, پورے پاکستان کے لیے, وہ دنیا کے لیے ایک یونیک انسٹیٹیوشن ہے, اس کو کامیاب کرنے کے لیے سب اپنا کردار ادا کر رہے ہیں. میں ایک بار پھر شکر گزار ہوں کالج کی ایڈمنسٹریشن کا, بورڈ آف گورنرز کا, کہ مجھے یہاں دعوت دی, اور انشاءاللہ تعالی جیسے میں نے کہا کہ جب بھی موقع ملا میں یہاں واپس آتا رہوں گا. آپ سب کا بہت بہت شکریہ.